one are you shooting? You're shooting the right one. I'm shooting the left one, right? Yours is on the other side. We got, yeah. They'll turn. Just give them a minute. Well, then let him work that way. He's working that way. Do you have him? Yeah, I will too. Yeah, he's backed off of that. The left one's in front of the feeder. He's back there. He'll come around. No, we'll do it. It's fine. Just give him time. Three, two, one, then boom, or 3, 2, boom. Can you see that one? Okay, the one in the back's about to step to the right. So the right side of the feeder. You got him? He's not clear. Now he is. Yeah, he is, right there. He's completely clear. 3, 2, 1. I think I hit the one. Your fucking gun didn't fire?
My gun did not fire.
Shoot.
I got safety down.
Shoot something.
I just dropped. Just gonna shoot to the side of the feeder. I got safety down. I can't move my safety.